Crypto was supposed to give us freedom, not take more and more from us. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Most wallets and chains take from you high gas fees, hidden tracking, zero give back. That's why Cold Wallet actually was created. Cold Wallet flips the script. It's a system that actually rewards you for every single interaction you do with the wallet. Your keys, your privacy, and now your rewards. How does it work? You use your crypto, you earn cashback, hold more CWT, and you earn even more. No staking needed, just holding CWT boosts your rewards tier. And you can see here the tiers for each gas cashback. You have bronze, which is 0%, of course, if you don't hold CWT, silver, which is a 10%, gold, 25%, platinum, 50%, and for diamond holders, we are talking a 100% gas cashback. And you can see on the left side, from where are you getting the rewards from? When you pay gas, you get CWT. When you make a swap, you get CWT. When you buy or cash out crypto, you get CWT. So the more you use your wallet, the more your rewards rack up. And it's all visible and of course trackable right in the app. That means the more you use the wallet and the more CWT you get and you hold, the more cashback you get. The pre-sale is right now live, and early buyers, of course, they lock in better cashback rates. They've generated over $6 million in their pre-sale so far, and you can get the token at $0.01058. And again, the more CWT you get, the higher the cashbacks you get on the transactions you do in Cold Wallet. A very important thing is that the rewards start now. You know how it is in the crypto field? Tokens, projects tell you you will someday get those rewards. No. This is not one of those. Cold Wallet, actually, you can swap in-app today and get USDT cashback immediately. You can refer a friend today and get 20% in CWT, and they also get a 10% in CWT. Also, you can claim your USDT every time once you hit $5. This is built for people, not just degens. It works for everyone, from first-time crypto investors to Web3 builders. And it supports multi-chain, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, and many more. It's a non-custodial by design. You can use it, one wallet, multiple chains, buy, sell, swap, seamless, and you can earn USDT on the go. And it's private by default. It hides your IP, it blocks trackers, and it puts you in control. You can join the pre-sale today by just clicking the link down in the description. Crypto doesn't have to drain you. It can give you back. Cold Wallet is live now, and it's paying you rewards right now. And its CWT presale is your ticket to even more rewards. Start today and be part of a system that actually cares about you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and comment below any questions that you may have that maybe I didn't cover in this video, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.